So question number 10, where we left yesterday. This is find the area bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4y and x is equal to 4y minus 2. X square is equal to 4y and x is equal to 4y minus 2. So yesterday I was telling you that this is the upside parabola. So if I compare x square, that is equal to 4y, and 4y from here is x plus 2 na. So put it over here. So this is x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 and 2. These are the points where this line will cut. These two lines will cut. And what are the, if I just make it x0, then y is equal to 1 by 2. And when y is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 2. Means this line is cutting like this. This is x is equal to minus 2, 0. Right? And this point is this. This point is 0 half. Right? And here they are cutting. This point is minus 1, 0. And this point is 2. So you need to find the area bounded by this. Means if you just zoom it, we need to find this area, which is first, if you see this line, under this line the area, then if you subtract this area, if you subtract this area and this area under the curve, then you will get this inside area, no? Is it clear what I am saying? See, this area we need to find, this much area we need to find, which is under the line this, right? And if I subtract from here this area and this area, which is under this parabola, na, then we will get this inside area. So how can we do? This is required area, required shaded area, that is equal to minus 1 to 2. Just label it as y1, this as y2. So y1 minus y2 dx. Right? What is y1 from here? This is x square is equal to 4y. So y2 is equal to x square by 4, right? Because this parabola I am taking as y2. And line is x plus 2 by 4, that is equal to y1. So what will be your integration? Minus 1 to 2 x plus 2 by 4 minus x square by 4 dx. Right? Take 1 by 4 out and integrate this. So if I take 1 by 4 out, minus 1 to 2 integrate, let us integrate directly. So this will be x square by 2 plus 2. So that will be plus 2x minus x cube by 3, no? Because 4 is taken out, limit is minus 1 to 2. So this is 1 by 4 when we are putting 2. So this is 4 by 2 plus 4 minus 8 by 3. Minus lower limit. So minus lower limit, if I put minus 1 square will be 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 1 cube is minus plus. So minus minus plus 1 by 3. Right? So this is 1 by 4, 2, 6 minus 8 by 3 minus. This is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is 5 by 6. 5 by 6 minus 2. So final answer you are getting as 1 by 4 in 24 minus 8 by 3 and minus of 5 minus 12 by 6. Right? So this is equal to 1 by 4. 24 minus 8 is 16 by 3. 16 2s are 32. Minus, this is minus 7. Minus minus plus 7 by 6. So this is 39 by 24 square units. Right? So if you cancel this by 3, so this will be 13 and this will be 8. I think we have done something wrong. Oh, 16 threes are 18. Sorry. This 6 threes are 18, na? So this is 18 minus 8 is 10. 10 twos are 20. So this is 20 plus 7. So that is 27 by 24. So this is 3 nines are 3 eights are 9 by 8 square units. Right? 6 threes are 18. That is the mistake we had done. I had done. Next question, y square. This is already we have done. Y square is equal to 4x is this type of parabola and x is equal to 3 is this line. So just do the double of this area 0 to. So this is 0 to 3 twice of y1. So 2 root x dx. So please find out this. So this exercise is over. So let us do the next exercise. So this is first question. 4x square plus 4y square. Remember, when the equation is given like this, if the coefficient of x square and y square is same, it's a circle. And if they are different, then it's a ellipse. If the coefficient of x square and y square is same, then it's a circle. Otherwise, if they are different, then it's ellipse. So remember that. And then you have to make it 1 also. So I am getting x square plus y square is equal to 3 by 2 square. Right now, 9 by 4 is 3 by 2. So radius is equal to 3 by 2 means 1.5. So, and x square is equal to 4y is the upper side parabola. So we are getting the equation like this. Area of the circle is this. And parabola, if I draw this, and this parabola is upper side, right? We need to find this area. We need to find this area. They can give it as equation also. What will be that? 4x square plus 4y square less than equal to 9 and x square less than equal to 4y. Clear? Or they can just make it over here also in the form of x. So, but first let us find out the point of intersection. So, for the point of intersection, let us substitute the x square value, which is 4y plus 4y square. This is, let us take the actual equation only. 4x square plus 4y square is equal to 9. So if I substitute x square as 4y plus 4y square is equal to 9. So this is 4y square plus 16y minus 9 is equal to 0. So 36 and 16. 36 and 16, 18. 18 and 2. So 4y square plus 18y minus 2y minus 9 is equal to 0. Right? So this is, I am getting 2y common. So 2y plus 9 minus 1 common, 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. So y is equal to half and y is equal to minus 9 by 2. These two values I am getting for y. So if I substitute this value in x, what will I get? X square is equal to 4y, na? So x square is equal to 4 into y. So x is equal to plus minus root 2. And when I put minus 9 by 2, x square is equal to minus 4 into minus 9 by 2. Then it will be minus 18. So that will be complex number, right? So x value is plus minus root 2. So I am doing with this. This is root 2 0. This is minus root 2 0, right now? So if I have this, I can solve the equation. What is that? If you see the area under this is this curve, total this from root 2 to minus root 2 root 2. And if I subtract this area, if I subtract this area and this area, then you will get inside area. If we subtract these two area, so what can I write? Required area is equal to twice of 0 to root 2 y1 minus y2 dx. Now, which one I am going to take? y1. y1 I am going to take this curve because this is giving me the main one. Means circle 1 is your y1. And this, under this, you will subtract na this area. So that is your y2. Parabola is your y2. So as the curve is symmetrical about y-axis, so required area is equal to twice of this area. So you can do this twice of 0 to root 2 y1. What is the circle? X square plus y square is equal to 9 by 4. So y is equal to 9 by 4 minus x square, na? Square root. So that is your first y1. Means 3 by 2 square minus x square. Minus y2. y2 is the parabola. So what is the parabola? X square by 4. X square by 4 dx. So if I do it by, this is total, twice of this total, right? So that is twice of, if I integrate this, that is a square minus x square. So that is x by 2 into a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, right? This is your this integration minus x cube by 12. Upper limit to lower limit is 0 root 2, right? So that is equal to, now if I put the upper limit and lower limit 0 to root 2. So this is 2 throughout, root 2 by 2 into 9 by 4 minus 2 plus 9 by 8 sine inverse root 2 into 2 by 3, right? That is your upper limit minus 2 root 2 cube is 2 root 2 na, by 12. And 0, if I am going to put, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So 0 will give you all terms 0. So I am getting 2 outside. So this is root 2 by 2. Inside it is 9 minus 8, 1. 1 by 4 is 1 by 2, right? Plus 9 by 8 sine inverse 2 root 2 by 3 minus root 2 by 6. So this is root 2 by 4 and root 2 by 6. So root 2 by 4 plus root 2 by 6. So 12 is the LCM. So if I solve this, this is going to give me 3 root 2 plus 2 root 5. 2 root 2, sorry. Uh, this is 4 is there. Just a minute. Let us check the original equations. X square is equal to 4y. So x square by 9, 4. And this is 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is this only. So 9 minus root 2, that is 2 only. If I substitute the values, because root 2 is the value, so this is giving us 2 root 2 cube is 2 root 2. That is also right. 4 3s are 12. That is also right. So x by 2 into a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, right? This is right. uh, so this is 2 throughout cancel. So what can we do? This is minus, not plus. So this is coming 2 into root 2 by 12 plus 9 by 8 into sine inverse 2 root 2 by 3, right? So if we cancel 2, this is root 2 by 6 plus 9 by 4 sine inverse 2 root 2 by 3. Clear? So next question is area bounded by the curve. These are the two circles only. But as this one is the center 1, 0. So this will shift. 1, 0 is the center of the first circle and another one is origin. So if we draw the line, yes. And then we draw the circle. One circle is this. Another circle is so if you check, we need to find this area. This is passing through the origin only. Why? because radius is 1 in both the case, means this center of this circle is 1 0 and this center is 0 0. So this is the point of, if I shift this circle to this side, you need to find this area. This is passing through the origin. Somehow I am not able to adjust it. So what can you do? If you just find out this point of intersection, if you just find out this point of intersection, then you can. So how can we do that? Draw the line. So if you see, just take it as same, coinciding with the origin. Let me try to bring this line over here. Yes. So if I just so you need to find out this area. As the curve is symmetrical about x-axis, so can you write that the required area is twice of the shaded area? Required area is equal to twice shaded area, as the curve is symmetrical about x-axis. Sorry, y. Yeah, x-axis only, right? So now on this line, if you see, this side curve is under this circle, first one. And under this one, this side area is under this circle, which who has the radius 0 0, right now? So let us find out first this point of intersection. So how will you find out this point of intersection? Take the curves, substitute the value of y square. So x minus 1 whole square plus y square is 1 minus x square, na? That is equal to 1. So this 1 and 1 cancel. So if I open this, x square plus 1 minus 2x minus x square, that is equal to 0. So what are you getting from here? 2x is equal to 1. So x is equal to half. So this point is half 0. And this point is 1 0. So what is your area? Required area twice of 0 to half y1 dx plus half to 1 y2 dx. Now y1 is which one? The first circle, this one. You are going to take as y1 and this as y2. So this is y1, x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 1. So find out y1 from here. What is that? Y1 is equal to 1 minus x minus 1 whole square. This is your y1. Y2 will be 1 minus x square only, right? So if you substitute the values over here, twice of 0 to half, y1 is 1 minus x minus 1 whole square dx plus 1 minus x square dx, right? So how will you do now? A square minus x square formula only, twice of. Now this is total, take it as x, and wherever the x is there, use this formula. So x by 2. So x minus 1 by 2. Right? A square minus x square will come same only. Then plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. Right? This is your integration of this. I have taken this x minus 1 as capital X. So when I am saying x, that means I am saying capital X. x by 2. So x minus 1 by 2. 1 a square minus x square. X square is capital X only I am talking about. So x minus 1 whole square plus a square. A is 1. So a square by 2 is 1 by 2. Sine inverse x is again x minus 1 by, upon a is 1. So this is your first integration plus second integration is same only, x by 2 into 1 minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, right? Here the limits are 0 to half and here the limits are half to 1. So now substitute the values. Twice is outside only. So this is half minus 1 is minus half by 2. And if I substitute half over here if I substitute 1 minus half is half. So this will become 1 by 4, right? Plus half sine inverse minus half. This is your upper limit. Minus lower limit, and when I'll do minus lower limit is 0. So 0 when I do, this is coming as minus half into 0. So 1 square is 1. So this is getting 0. So 0 is making whole term as 0. So no need to take this term. And here, this is coming as plus minus half sine inverse minus 1, right? This is your this side of integration. Now substitute the second one plus x by 2. So 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 is making it 0. So that is gone. Here it is 1 by 2 sine inverse 1. Now substitute the lower limit. So when I am substituting lower limit, it will be 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 square, 1 by 4. So this is again coming 1 minus 1 by 4, right? Plus a 1 by 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. So this is your total value after putting the limits. So let us do this twice of minus 1 by 4 square root 3 by 2 plus, so not plus, minus. Minus will come out because sine minus x is minus sine x. So half sine inverse half. Sine inverse half is 60. So pi by 6. Pi by 3, sorry. Right? This is your upper limit. Lower limit minus is minus half. Sine inverse 1 is pi by 2, na? Because this is minus, so minus will come out. So this is half into this. Plus half into pi by 2 minus 1 by 4. Why have we taken 1 by 4? Yeah, half after putting half. So 1 by 4 into root 3 by 2 minus plus minus is taken out. So half sine inverse 1 by 2 is again 30 6 pi by 6, right? So this is giving us twice of minus root 3 by 8 minus pi by 12 minus minus plus pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus root 3 by 8 minus pi by 12. So what are you getting actually is root 3 is getting added. So that is pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is 45 plus 45, that is 90. 90 minus this is pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus pi by 12 minus pi by 12, right now? So this is pi by 2. 45 plus 45 pi by 2. And this is 2 pi by 12 is minus pi by 6, right? Now 90 minus 30 is 60. So isn't it coming 2 into pi by, this is 3 pi minus pi by 6. So this is 2 pi by 6. So pi by 3 it is coming. So this is pi by 3. And minus root 3 by 8 minus root 3 by 8 is minus 2 root 3 by 8. So if we do it, this is 2 pi by 3 minus per root 3 by 2. So this is square units area. Clear? Next one. This is again the parabola where the center is out. So this will be y minus 2 is equal to x square. So center is 0, 2. So center is 0, 2 means this is parabola like this, not passing through the origin. Y is equal to x is a line like this. And then x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. So it will be like this. Clear? So please try to do by yourself. Actually, this is not going to come in the CBSE because CBSE is just taking passing to standard equations like x square plus y square 1, x square is equal to this. These are the standard one. Not origin. Where the center is not origin, that is surely not going to come in the CBSE questions. Next is using integration, find the area of the region bounded by the triangle whose vertices are this, and this. Minus 1, 0, 1, 3, and 3, 2. Minus 1, 0. Then 1, 3, and 3, 2. Now, means this is like one point is this minus 1, 0. Another point is 1, 3. So this is 1, 3. If I take a coordinate system, also this is going to be this way only. 3, 2. Right? So this type of triangle is there whose area you need to find out. For that, you need the equations also, na? Whom you will integrate. So these type of questions, if equations are given, then you need to find out the point of intersection. If the points are given, then you need to find out the equations. So this is minus 1, 0. So if I find out the equation of this minus 1, 0, 1, 1, 3. So equation is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this equation is coming y is equal to 3 by 2 x plus 1. This equation is equal to, I am taking as y1. y1 is equal to 3 by 2 into x plus 1. Right? Then second equation, that is 1, 3 and 3, 2. 1, 3, 3, 2. So use the same. Y minus 3 is equal to 2 minus 3 upon 3 minus 1 into x minus 1. So that is y minus 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 x minus 1. So this is y is equal to minus half x plus half plus 3. So this is coming minus half x 7 by 2. So this is your this equation y2. I am taking this as y2. Y2 is equal to minus half x plus 7 by 2. Then find out the third equation minus 1, 0 and 3, 2. So y minus 0 is equal to 2 minus 0 upon 3 plus 1 into x plus 1. So that is y is equal to 2 by 4 into x plus 1. So this is 1 by 2 x plus 1. So this is this y3 I am taking as half x plus 1. Right? So these equation we have found. Let me check, have we used the right, you found the correct equation, otherwise again we need to come back and check. Minus 1, 0 and 1, 3. So this is y minus y1 y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Right, this one is right. So y is equal to 3 by 2 into x plus 1. Now 1, 3 and 3, 2. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus 1, x1, right. So this is minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1. When this 3 will come this side, so it will be plus 3. So minus half x plus half plus 3. So 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Right. So this is also right. Third one, minus 1, 0. So y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 upon x. So this is also right. So these we have found the equations also. So now if you check, if you just draw the coordinate system over here, if you want to find this area inside, this area need to find out, right? And this is line is x-axis. This line is your x-axis. So if you draw the perpendicular from here to here and here to here, what will you see? That it is the area under this line y1 plus y2, and if you subtract this area under y3, you will get the area na, y1 plus y2 minus y3. This question has come in one of the set of the previous one, so please check these questions. So required area is equal to, yes, for what was the point over here, 1 3 na. So minus 1, see I am just taking x coordinate because on x-axis we are finding minus 1 to 1 y1 dx plus 1 to 3 y2 dx minus minus 1 to 3 y3 dx. Clear? This is your y1 0 minus 1 to 1. Then 1 to 3 is your y2, and then minus 1 to 3 is your y3. If you subtract this, you will get the area. So minus 1 to 1, y1 is coming 3 by 2 x plus 1 dx plus 1 to 3 y2 is minus x by 2 plus 7 by 2 dx minus minus 1 to 3 y3 is coming x by 2 plus half dx, right? So let us integrate this. This is coming as 3 by 2 out, x square by 2 plus x, limit is minus 1 to 1, plus 1 by 2 out. So this is minus x square by 2 plus 7x, right? Limit is 1 to 3. Then minus. This is x square, 1 by 2, let us take out. X square by 2 plus 2 plus x. Limit is minus 1 to 3. Right now? Let us check again. This 3 by 2 is taken out. So x square by 2. This is x, right? Here, 1 by 2 is taken out. So x is x square by 2 plus 7x, right? Then this half is taken out. So x square by 2 plus x. So, right. So let us put the upper limit and lower limit now. So this is coming as 3 by 2. Upper limit is 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1, right? This is your first one, plus half. If I put upper limit, that is minus 9 by 2 plus 21. When I put lower limit, that will be minus 1 by 2 plus 7, right? Then minus half. When I put the upper limit, that is 9 by 2 plus 3. And when I put up lower limit, that will be 1 by 2 minus 1. So this is we are getting as 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus half, minus minus half. So that is plus half. Plus half. This is, if I do minus 9 by 2, if I take the 2 LCM only, minus 9 plus 42. And this is going to come as 14 minus 1, 13, 13 by 2. So plus 13, sorry, minus 13, not plus. 42 minus 13, right? Then minus half. This is again, if we take the 2 LCM, so this is 9 plus 6. Here it is minus half, minus half, minus plus half. So plus 1. So this is equal to 3 by 2 into 4 by 2 is 2 plus half into 42 minus 22, right now? 42 minus 22, that is going to come as 20 by 2 minus half. 9 plus 6, 15, 16 by 2. So we are getting 2 cancel, 2 tens are, 2 fives are, and 2 eights are, 2 fours are. So we are getting as 3 plus 5 minus 4, 4 square units, right? Question number 4, 4 square unit is the answer. Next one is, when the equations are given, then how to solve it. Earlier, these are the points. These are the points. Here the equations are given. So we need to find out the equation. Please, there is one example of this type also. Do that also. So equations are y is equal to 2x plus 1. Second equation is y is equal to 3x plus 1. And x is equal to 4. These are the questions. So if I just take the coordinate system, so y is equal to 2x. So if I take x0 and y0, let us draw these equations first, because plotting and the points are important. So xy, if y is 0, then x is equal to minus half. And when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So this equation is like this, minus half to 1, like this. This is minus half 0. First, let us plot the equation, then we will find out the point of intersection. This is 0, 1. Then second one is xy. This is 0, this is 0. So if y is 0, then x is equal to y is 0, x is equal to minus 1 by 3, na? And this is when x is 0, y is equal to 1. Means this is going to be like this. And then x is equal to 4 is some equation like some line like this. Some line like this. Right? This is x is equal to 4. So if x is equal to 4, 4 is over here also. So this point will be, if I put x is equal to 4 in this one, this is your 2x plus 1. Na? Y1 I am taking. This is I am taking as y2 is equal to 3x plus 1. So if I put x is equal to 4 over here, So you will get y value, but we don't need these points, just x is equal to 4. And this point of intersection is this. You need to find out the area enclosed by these three lines. These three lines means this area. So what can you do? Y2 minus y1 na, directly. Y3 is not involved. This line is so just giving you the point. This is a straight line, so no need to that. So y2 is taking this whole area. Y2 is taking this whole area, right now, and y1 is this area. So if you subtract this checked one area, this area if you subtract, which is under y1, so y2 minus y1, solve it, you will get the answer. Then this is by inequality. Just see, this is under the, which I told you earlier also, that the point is center is not the origin. You just shift one over this side. So y minus 1 is equal to x square. How to get it? X minus h whole square is equal to y minus k. So h and k are the center of this. So if you check x is, this is x minus 0 now. So 0 and 1 is the center. So this is the center, 0, 1 taken, and then the line and this. So this area you need to find out. Clear? So in this exercise, this question we have already done in this here. First exercise, this is parabola, means this is steep. Earlier we are doing parabola like this, na? This parabola is like this, steep one. So the same way, this is this type of questions all we have done. This is the mode question. So mode question, what is the 0 of this? X plus 3, 0 is at minus 3, na? So how will you do this? X plus 3 from minus 6 to 0. So if you plot this equation, so minus 3. So at minus 3, 0. Minus 3, 0. This will give you this V shape. Right now, and you need to find out from minus 6 to 0. So this side equation is minus of x plus 3. This side of equation is x plus 3. So integrate minus 6 to minus 3 minus of x plus 6 dx plus minus 3 to 0 x plus 6 dx. Clear? Sorry, x plus 3. 3, not 6. X plus 3 dx. Minus 6 to 0, x plus 3 with minus sign, because definition of mode is this only. Minus of x plus 3 when x is less than minus 3, and x plus 3 when x is greater than equal to minus 3. So this side the equation is x plus 3. This side the equation is minus of x plus 3. So minus 6 to minus 3, this is minus of x plus 3, integrate, and minus 3 to 0, integrate x plus 3 and find out the area. All these types we have done. Only the main I wanted to tell you is 11th question. This is mode of x, mode of y. So this will give you options x plus minus and y plus minus and all their combinations. So first, when x is positive, y is positive. So x plus y is equal to 1. It is actually like this type of. If I draw the Cartesian coordinate, so this will be like this. X and y 1, 1. Then x negative, y positive. Then both are negative, negative. And then this is, so first x, y both positive, then x negative, y positive, then x negative, y negative, and then x positive, y negative. So from here you are getting y1 is four types. So it will be type of square. So you can say 4 times this area, 4 times this area 0 to 1, y will be 1 minus x dx. Right? Main is the figure, and then writing as this is symmetrical about x-axis and y-axis. So you can say this required area is 4 times this shaded area, which shaded area is 1 minus x. I am taking this equation because in the first quadrant, both x and y are positive. In the second quadrant, see, mod x means x plus minus x. Mod y is plus minus x. So first take both plus, then minus plus, then minus minus, and then plus minus according to 4 quadrants. So you will get this figure, and this point is 1, 0. This is 0, 1. This is minus 1, 0, and this is 0, minus 1. So you are finding 4 times this area, you will get the answer.